back to another video from Kawaii Toy Collector. Today I'm going to be showing you some cool hacks at your slime that I've tried. So, you're going to need hairspray. I'm using Aquanet. And you're going to be needing any pigment. And so, I use a mixing tool just to stir up my slime because it got so sticky. So, now, since there was some Aquanet in here before, that was what made it non-sticky. But the case is what's making the slime really bad. So I'm just gonna wipe out this case. Because it's the Aquanet's on the case and you spray in too much Aquanet, well, that's not good. Just sorry about that. My battery is really low, so my camera's touched off. I'm sorry. So first, just want to scrape any pigment. I'm using a silver one. Now I'm just gonna scratch out the whole entire pigment. I scratched out. I'm going to be scratching out almost this whole entire pigment. So I still have a lot left in here. I already wasted one eyeshadow on this. It was my really cool dark blue shadow. So yeah. So as you guys can see, I have a lot of powder in there. I'm going to mix that up. And we'll see what it does to our slime. Now I was going to do some damage to our hands, but that's okay. And then once you put your hairspray into your slime, it'll actually make it form, if that's the right word for it. Hopefully I didn't add too much pigment to where it fully sticks to something. Just remember guys, if you add in too much pigment, the pigment will actually stick to your table. And just to let you guys know, this is fluffy slime. Doesn't really look like it because I added in some Aquanet, which kind of, yeah. So I'm going to take some Aquanet. I'm just going to spray these 3 little sprays in there. And this should help your slime. There's just something about the Aquanet that makes the slime have a shield stickiness. And it may not be as stretchy as it was, but it is non-sticky. Or if you still want it to be stretchy, just spray some Aquanet on your hands. Spray some of that on your hands, rub that in, and you should be all good. The slime shouldn't stick to your hands, should still be pretty stretchy. And just remember guys, if your pigment isn't fully mixed in, there will be clumps of your pigment in here, so you have to scratch it and mix it really good, because your pigment is as mine is. If you guys can't see that, right there, that's a clump of the pigment that I put in this. So guys, I don't want to put any more pigments in here. I like this silvery color of my slime. Off camera, this looks a lot more shiny and silver. On camera, it looks a bit darker than it really is. So But here's your finished slime. And if you guys want to add some more Aquanet onto your hands, like about that much, and just rub it in. And that should keep the slime off of your hands. So if you have a white slime, but you don't have the color food coloring that you want, you can just buy some eyeshadow pigments. Then again, eyeshadows will work. But because I wasted I wasted like 2 whole things of my eyeshadows. I have a bit of a dark silvery color, not really as light. And then guys, so once you're done with your slime, then again I have to wipe out my kit for the slime again. Yeah, there you go. So then you have your slime here, you got this. Just want to put this away. You want to take your Aquanet or any hairspray you're using. Put a couple sprays on the counter. Then move all your stuff aside. And just work. Just smooth it all out. And it should get all the slime up off the counter that is stuck to the counter. Just take a towel, wipe it off, and there you go. No more slimy mess here. But then again, since I don't want my slime to stick to the counter any longer, I'm just gonna spray some Aquanet over there. Then you're just gonna rub it in. Now it doesn't have to be super wet, this just creates a layer. But you guys can see it still sticks to it. Now this is starting to form a stickiness. So you just want to spray a whole bunch around your slime. You can just knead the slime on the hairspray, and it looks like the pigment is coming out of it. That will happen sometimes when you get your slime wet. The pigment can come out of it. But the Aquanet is basically the slime activator, because it's not really stretchy anymore, so it's like slime activator. So then you just want to keep doing that. And then again, since the Aquanet is all over, it should be very easy to wipe this all off. Yes, it should be. Alright, now add in Orpheal Squirt with this Aquanet. And I'm just going to mix that in with a mixing tool because my hands are, that's okay. And I did a really dark blue pigment with this, with like a light gray pigment. So that's how I got this like silvery color. And if you guys can't see that, the slime is actually sparkly. If you guys don't see the sparkles in it, that's okay. But that's basically how to fix your sticky slime. And comment down below if you want me to make some Aquanet hair slime. Because like Aquanet is the activator for the glue. Here's your slime. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And see you guys in the next video.